Well, seeing as that's the only song that is clear on the set list, we probably should do that one.
And a huge thank you to the wonderful sound man.
Derek, thank
Derek.
you.
Lovely sound. Loving the reverb.
Imagine a world with no reverb.
I was there.
Imagine there's no reverb. Okay. So this song is called Together Alone, but we're going to do like a little mashup. Because we're all about the mashup. Make sure you know there is no pot of gold. The desperate climb alone will feed your soul. This is it right here, we have it all. The rain will come, but we can only grow. Make sure you know there is no pot of gold. The desperate climb alone will feed your soul. This is it right here, we have it all. The rain will come, but we can only grow. Make sure you know there is no pot of gold. The desperate climb alone will feed your soul. This is it right here, we have it all. The rain will come, but we can only grow. I feel your absence in the light. Only you can make it better. Wishing away these dusty days. Just know we're all in this together. Push through and see your worth. Find faith in all that's cursed. If you believe it, so will we. And you can live out all your dreams. Time is never too much. Time forever on our minds. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run faster than you think you can. Bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, all we have is. Find the chance you wish to see. It's the same for you and me. Say it when you feel it. Contemplate real bravery. Go and break your boundaries. Go and sail across that sea. Beyond the moon, so soon your time will come. Take that idea and go run. Run. We try to climb inside the concept behind what keeps us all alive. So run, run faster than you think you can, bolder than your master plan. For we are strong, we all belong, and all we have is time. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh, no. I feel like we've just won the Oscars or something.
Oh, thank you.
So we'll see you back in autumn, hopefully. We'll come
Yeah.
back to Bedford because we love it here and we love you guys. Thanks.
Thank you, thank you,
guys.
guys. Thank you so much. Beautiful. The new house.
Shaky. I'm glad I had it
Guys, thank you. Can I ask one of you just to quickly take one of my things here? And then we'll get off the stage. And then, yeah, then we'll stop being massive attention seekers.
I'll let you do it.
You've done it before, it's just funny, but you just do that one. And then you press that one. Right hand. This doesn't happen every day, by the way.
Thank you very much.